Welcome back to Green Bay Explorer. Today we're in Myrtle Beach and I'm going to be showing you a few good places to stop while you're in the area. Let's start out with getting breakfast. A place that I really enjoyed while I was down here was Café de Paris. I'll show you inside in 1 second. Along with a good variety of coffee and teas, this place also has a good amount of options for desserts, pastries, and other sweets that you can enjoy in the morning. The whole place had a very warm and welcoming atmosphere with soft music, plenty of space to spread out and enjoy your drink or your meal that you would get. Another reason we chose to come here was for the crepes. This first one is the chicken crepe with a side salad, and this one is the Mediterranean crepe with the side salad. Both of them were fantastic, and I definitely recommend them. Seeing this just gave me a fun idea of spelling out your family's name in the kitchen with mugs. Maybe they don't have to all match, but at least you have a fun little decor that represents everyone in the house. My favorite color is purple, and when I saw this shop, I just went crazy. So I have to go in and see what it is all about. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. This is like my purple dream. It's literally all purple. Holy. Wow. If you like purple, this is definitely your shop. So this place keeps going on and on, but what's great is you get a nice lake in the middle. You can cross the bridge, but there's shops everywhere. I bet at night this place is hopping. This might be something we have to come back to at night. If you're nervous about bridges, don't worry. This bridge is pretty solid. But a lot of the restaurants are right on the water. Great place to enjoy at night. So to take some of the video, I accidentally ditched Kyle with my coffee, and I was apologizing, and his response was, "That's okay, I was enjoying hot coffee, cold coffee, hot coffee, cold coffee." So now I'm a little low on coffee. Did I mention that this place just keeps going and going? You got your souvenir shops, you got places you can get snacks, and everything through the sun. A tasting room? Oh, hello, tasting room. Let's check that out. I just walked inside the tasting room. There are so many wines, sweet wines, Merlots, Cabernets, you name it, I think they have it. And get this, it's really cool. The tastings, you get 7 tastings for $5, and you just mark which one you want, and you can get that tasting from their little wine glasses. I won't touch it, but very cool. Oh, here's some fudge. Let's have some fun. Hello, good, how about you? Oh, are you making some? Oh, check that out. That looks so relaxing. How many times do you have to do that? Wow. And it takes about how long to make it? An hour from start to finish. What flavor is that? Vanilla. So cool. Well, thank you. This is awesome. Alright, everyone knows I like bees and honey, but what is in this shop? All I saw was bees on the front, so I have to look in. I think they're honeys and meats. I just think I found my favorite shop. Wow, this place is huge! Oh, check this out. Oh my goodness. Hello. Very cool. If I ever build a bar, this is what my bar is going to be made of. Bee boxes. What's really cool about this place is they offer free honey tastings. So you get to try all 6 of these. Some of these are from Spain and Hungary, but from lavender to black sage to orange. Another fun thing you can do is try meads. Some of these are from different states, but they only charge, it's $12. You get 6 different tastings. I just love this sink. I definitely want to have this in my house. The next stop is a Kentucky distillery. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow.
Proof liquor made with sweet white corn dating all the way back to the 1930s. This is a real deal white lightning with a rich corn flavor. Think of 100 proof tequila without all the salt.
We get to try all 11 for $10.
We are here till 7 p.m.
Keep an eye out, because you might see some turtles. You can play chess out on the lawn, or if you don't know how to play chess, play some checkers. Time to hit the beach. While enjoying the water and listening to the relaxing waves, I was also keeping an eye out for shark teeth. They're common in the Myrtle Beach area, and I found many people were having good luck in finding them, so I was determined to find some myself. Coming up next, you'll see the shark teeth that I was able to find. So I ended up crashing someone's collection, but they found all of these shark teeth. It was awesome. Right on the beach, it was just one little patch that they found. Gosh, maybe like 2-3 dozen here, but great finds. I'm definitely gonna keep an eye out. Oh no, there's a fire truck. Hope everything's okay. We've been hearing good stuff about the Sneaky Beagle, so we had to come check it out. It's a little bit off the beaten path, but let's see what's inside. Our food came out really quick. This is, it's called a taco named Phil. This one is the mushroom, and then this one is called Under the Sea, and I chose to get a side salad. This is the Big South. You get the mac and cheese, the pulled pork, the wings, and then you get to choose what you want. We chose slaw, and it looks awesome.
Smells really good.
Turns out it's happy hour, so we were taking advantage of it, and we got the sneaky, let me say this right, the sneaky explosion, then we got the volcano, and the last one is the Mexican sushi rolls. We are really excited. It started raining on us, but that won't stop us. We're at Broadway on the beach now, and we're gonna be exploring this. It looks like there's a lot of carnival rides, so that's great for the kids. And oh, I found coffee. I might be getting some of that. And we'll see what else is around. I think I've seen it all. Now you can buy TikTok products, which I did not know about. This is another one of those places that goes on for a long time. There's shops for souvenirs. You could also have many options for food, drinks, snacks, candies, ice creams. You name it, they have it here. Did you know Ben and Jerry's Ice Cream was alumni from Penn State who founded it? Here's something that's kind of fun. It's an indoor amusement, but the outside is an upside building. It looks like it's pulled up from a tornado or who knows what, but very interesting. Do you want a boat that drives you out of control? You can have fun with one of those. It kept spinning and jumping and going all over the place. Kind of like that. There's a lot of fish begging for food right now. I think these are carp, which are invasive, but if you want to feed the fish. You have the big places you could do. Hard Rock. We also have Dave & Buster's, American Tap House, and then a few other places around. We found one of the original ice creams of Myrtle Beach. I am so excited. I love finding mom and pop shops. Wow, it even has a really vintage look to it. Cones. Cool. Ice cream's a little hard to see, but oh my gosh, look at all these flavors. Look at all this. These are popular. So which ones do you want?
On the bottom, Extreme Oreo.
Okay.
The next layer up is going to be Bourbon Pecan.
Bourbon Pecan, okay.
The layer on top of that is going to be the Pistachio Almond.
Pistachio
and
almond.
Blueberry Cream Pie on the top.
Blueberry cream pie. That sounds like a perfect cake of ice cream stack. Way too many flavors to choose from, so what we decided to do was choose 4 flavors and put them in a pint container, and one by one enjoy each flavor. As you can see, we're slowly going down into the cup, enjoying each one. We're back over here, and I'll show you why. Yes, it's raining. So we came back into the honey store to try some meads, and it turns out this one, and this one are made in Michigan, where, you know, we're from Michigan. Came all the way down to South Carolina to have some Michigan meads, but it's all the way up, kind of in the Traverse City area of Michigan. But here are a few more. But this one I wanted to point out. kicked my butt. This one is amazing. I loved it, but you can only handle a little bit of it. The last place we stopped in tonight was a wine tasting room, the Carolina Vineyards, and we ended up trying a bunch. You can see here some of the crossed out ones they weren't available, but I really wanted those. Starred was awesome. You can see a few more that I marked, but these are what we ended up getting. They were absolutely amazing. The honeysuckle is very earthy. The barefoot blush is really sweet. The caramel, we may sneak into a few coffees in the morning. Don't tell anyone. And then we had to get a little souvenir wine glass because we really liked the experience and it was fun.